Oh shit. Sit down. Here, give me your hand. Look.
Come on now, and walk with me.
She likes to put the water up in the top, but she can't reach it, so
Aw. Lola, let's
Yeah.
go. Ready?
Don't get Lola. Poor Lola. What are you doing? Go back. Put
Lola.
your boy and girl back in there.
Give me your Lola. It's okay. How are these supposed to stay?
I don't know. I don't think.
No, they just like
She's
float.
singing the ABC song. Oh my!
Yeah.
You got yourself all wet.
It's okay.
Oh no.
That's a good thing we're replacing this porch. Look. Where are we going to put it?
Put it in the blue bowl at the top. Look, Ember. No, we're not putting them out there. The water has to stay in there.
Water, huh? Look, these people can go float in here. Look, see? Float in the boat. The shark comes up and gets them. Dun-dun. Dun-dun. Does go. Hello. Yeah, we just put Umber's pirate ship together.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, her water thing.
Yeah.
She's so wet.
This is going to blow away, so. Oh,
Yeah.
you alright?
Yeah, you can, yeah. Because I was going to run it.
Stand up. Stand up.
It's still wet. It's still a little wet down there. So bring your old boots. It's okay in the yard. I really need to know. So I'll check it and see what kind of rain.
Are you wet? Is your shoes wet? Huh?
Oh yeah, I didn't know it. Yeah.
Show me your shoes.
Finally, it's dried out.
Show me your shoes, Ember.
It's dried out of there.
Yeah, they're all wet.
Just down by the
Are you,
river and stuff. It's still soggy, so I can't go there. But I
you done playing yet? Is it getting too cold?
I don't know. I don't know. For the what you call it? For the I know I've taken the words on the hospital. So I have some. I've got it.
La 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 la. Really? Yeah, you're all wet.
You like that, huh?
You're getting all wet. Oh my. Oh. Ember, look at mommy.
Snuffy song.
Oh my.
Snuffy